What are you saying,
I fight
dude?
to win.
Yeah, how do you win?
By grabbing you by the balls, slapping you in the face with your own balls. Yo, get that.
Bro, honestly, Spencer, I think.
Andrew didn't see my first slide.
What was your first slide?
Did you see this one?
Oh my god, dude. Aggressive rat dog.
On the right hand side.
That's white turn. No, that's me. And this one's eating a cheeseburger. Yeah. Oh. But that's it. I don't know how to get it out of slideshow mode, so whoever's next, just figure that one. Hi, YouTube.
You're gonna die in this house.
We're shutting it down.
Yeah, sorry.
No.
Jake, what happened?
No.
What happened though?
Wayne, why'd you make it go so loud?
Alright, ready? Here we go. Very hot.
Alright, so today we're gonna see if we can weld better than the adult class. This is the adults fucking, bro. This is the adults welds. Not bad, I guess. Not bad. I mean, there's some porosity. That's pretty bad. But hey, nice penetration. But let's see if I can do better. We ain't gonna even clean the police. We're just gonna fucking do it like this. I can't move, but it's okay. Alright. And that's my weld. Yeah. I think I'm better than whoever this adult is. Why do they have adult class in BOCES? I don't know. This is for like kids, man. I don't get this, man. This is high as fuck. See you, boys.